Magara University scholar Professor Elisam Magara has taken a bold step to revive appreciation for blacksmithing with the release of his compelling book, Blacksmithing, A Heritage of Abaheesi Babitira.
This book is based on a family heritage of Amos Katunguka, and it traces from up to the 6th generation.
Now available in bookstores, the book is a rallying call for Ugandans to embrace and preserve their indigenous technologies.
In Uchiga we call them Abaheesi. He was talking about how they do stones, turn stones into...
Drawing from his upbringing in Kanganga, Mitoma district, Professor Magara shares personal anecdotes about growing up in a family of blacksmiths.
So the book also places these blacksmiths in the socio-economic development of the economy. So
Blacksmithing, a heritage of Abaheesi Babitira, derives into the cultural practices, technological innovations, and resilience of the Abaheesi Babitira clan in western Uganda.
Akabita blacksmithing. Okay. Na bwicho abushobozo buranga mpiri intongo zake tabaraka.
The book launch and Thanksgiving ceremony held at his country home in Kanganga, Manyanga, Mitoma district. Professor Magara underscored the importance of integrating traditional African technologies with modern innovations to preserve blacksmithing as an essential part of Uganda's heritage.
Blacksmithing, and also how was the technology working? How is the technology of the blacksmiths? But it also places it in the category of people that were doing blacksmiths. Well, there are many people who are doing blacksmiths, but this is a heritage skill that came from the family from the 6th generation.
The 7-chapter masterpiece, complete with an epilogue, chronicles the life and contributions of Amos Katunguka, whose blacksmithing work has had an indelible mark on communities in Kanganga, Mitoma district. Dr. Bernard Wazilake, a librarian at Kampala University, was among the distinguished guests and received recognition for his significant contribution to the book's development.
We used to have our own cutting materials like umuhoro. No one knows what it is. Eh? You talk of a shekuro, no one knows what it is. Those things we need to, through cultural heritage, we need to reconstruct them.
The book explores the origins, cultural significance, and societal impacts of blacksmithing while offering valuable insights into the challenges and opportunities this traditional craft faces. The event was more than just a book launch. It was a celebration of blacksmithing's enduring legacy and the family values that have kept it alive as a cornerstone of Uganda's cultural identity. The ceremony also honored Amos Katunguka, marking his 90th birthday and 60 years of marriage.
Professor wa Magara University
Professor Magara expressed heartfelt gratitude for his father's legacy of resilience and inspiration.